The machine is controlled by NC touchscreen and the interface is simple and easy to understand. Mature technology of integrated PLC circuit, low failure rate. This machine tool is specially designed for drilling and deburring long industrial aluminum alloy profiles. 5 high-speed drilling power heads are hung on the precision guide rail of the front gantry beam, and 5 hole positions are drilled at the same time. The whole machine is composed of automatic feeding, drilling, erasing scrap on the workpiece surface, scraping the jibber and discharging. Multiple holes can be accurately drilled at the same time, and the bar and surface debris can be removed by hand instead of manual work. One machine can replace more than 6 workers. The drilling is not deformed and the surface is not concave. Stamping deformation, depression, low efficiency of insert core. Widely used in the solar photovoltaic industry. Assembly support. New energy vehicles, fence posts in sports venues, thermal insulation greenhouse pipes, efficient and accurate drilling at the same time.